Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing one of the topic that is city creation. In city creation, basically, we are discussing one of the topic that is this file. Basically, one of the person told that the people basically who are doing the land creation basically, and they basically going to separate the land basically whenever on the last day of world basically. So, and this is going to happen 100%. So this will basically we are going to mark like red sign. This they are going to do basically. That is 100% sure. Basically. So this land basically is marked as a red, and this is the most dangerous land basically. And this is not in the map also. That is also one of the things basically. So this is not in the map basically, and this is that city basically which is not in the map basically. And this might be mostly might be around. One of the person told that what would be the size of the land basically of that basically. So one of the person told that mostly it might be around 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, or basically it might be 5 kilometer, or it might be 6 or 7 kilometers. Reason behind it is the satellite basically is going to shift this land basically. Satellite are going to shift this land. So what is the capacity of satellite? So here basically the thing is satellite is going to shift this land from earth planet to other side. And one of the person told that what is the capacity of the satellite? Satellite it is going to do. So capacity of satellites. What is the capacity of satellite? What is the capacity of satellite? Satellite's capacity is what? What is the capacity of satellites? So here 2 points basically came into picture. One is the satellite is going to shift this land. Another is what is the capacity of this satellite? Capacity क्या है मतलब? What is the capacity? So one of the person told that capacity means Earth planet is getting shifted, right? Basically the entire Earth planet basically is getting shifted. That is basically not one satellite, there are multiple satellites. But here basically how many number of satellite basically can be used? That is the question basically. So here the thing is they can't use basically multiple satellites. Reason, this Earth planet basically the not divided land basically they are also connected with the satellites. So how that group basically is not supposed to know that this is our satellite basically. So multiple satellite basically would not be there basically. That is 100% sure. So it would be one satellite basically, which is controlling all the satellites data. So here basically the chain comes is this land satellites, that is satellites, and here also basically it's satellites. Here also it's satellite. Here also it's satellites. Here also it is satellites. See basically color is also basically changing of this particular text box. It is not supposed to. So see satellites are connected. So this satellite, that is this satellite, is controlling this all satellites. This land is controlling this all land really. So the process basically starts from satellites to satellites. So this satellite is controlling this, and this satellite is group basically is not supposed to know that basically this satellite is controlling the stuff. So one of the person told that basically then basically the satellite war will start basically here. After this video basically when it is going to upload, satellite war will start basically here. Then one of the person told that might be possible basically. Satellite war basically will start after this uploading the video. If it is not uploading, then basically the war is already started with long before. So satellite basically is going to be controlling. So one of the person told that one satellite basically might be there, that is a powerful satellite, and it might be controlling the all the entire land basically, that is this basically part. So these parts are controlled by satellites basically. These parts are controlled by satellites. These parts are basically controlled by the satellites. So one of the person told the satellite is also basically hidden basically from the all satellites, because they have to divide the land basically, and this everything is going to end basically. So these people basically when they will know that basically our land is going to end and the other land basically is going to be exist, so war literally will start basically. And the people who are these 900 crore people basically, they are literally going to save the they will save themselves basically. In this police everybody will get end basically to save themselves basically. What the people, one of the person told that law say that basically to save yourself basically you can finish the whole world basically, that is also legal. Why? Because you are saving the yourself basically, and the law say that in protection of yourself basically you can finish anybody basically. So these 900 crore people basically what they are going to do, they are going to start the war. Reason, they have to check basically where is that land basically, from where basically the things are getting control, and the land basically in the satellite also basically war will start. That which is that satellite basically which is controlling the entire satellite basically. And in this the main thing is which story currently ongoing basically, because satellite universe group basically will never going to end the world until the paragraph is not getting over. Until the paragraph is not getting over, so they will not end. So they will basically not going to end the world also basically. The situation currently is the 900 crore people basically will try to save themselves, because if anybody is trying to kill you, then basically you are going to see basically that basically kill me like this basically you are going to do basically. No basically. So 900 crore people basically will try to save themselves basically. In this save basically they are going to mostly basically they are going to end going to attack each and every land of the world basically, because you have to know basically which world which land basically it is which is controlling the entire world, which is controlling the entire world basically. So in this basically situation, the satellite groups are also basically connected with this 900 crore people basically. So these 900 crore people basically are controlled by, sorry, these 900 crore people basically have the control of satellite also. So satellite also, in satellite also basically the searching operation will start basically. That is which is that satellite basically which is controlling the rest of satellites. In this lots of satellite also basically will get end basically. Why? Because this satellite basically are going to see basically. No, they are not going to see. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic, that is this file basically, that is what actually this file actually want to say.